Hey friends, welcome to Giant Faith. Today I am going to be working on a happy planner spread for the week of January 31st to February 6th. And I am super excited to start incorporating some more fun Valentine's Day-ish February spread stuff. So yeah, so I'm going to start with taking out some of my lines with some washi tape because I thought that would be fun for the month of February to begin. And I lost my, there it is, card. Super technical term, card. Anyways, so I just thought it'd be fun, at least for this spread this week. I don't know if I'll do it every week, to just take out the lines. That kind of adds a lot. I feel like it adds a lot of color, and sometimes you don't have to do much else if you don't want to. You could keep your layout super simple and just add stuff like that, or you could do more. So I have this Choose Happy book, and I was thinking about trying to use some of the pink flowers in it, and then adding, that doesn't really match, so maybe that won't work. I didn't think about that enough ahead of time. All right, let's try using this little to-do list up here where the dots are, because that'll give me some space to work. And then I wanted to put in some pink flowers, so let's see if I can find them. Ooh, see, that's super pretty, but it's kind of green. So let's look at another book. All right, let's look in the Happy Memory Keeping book for Happy Planner. That's cute. Pretty much my favorite. I'm gonna use that because I feel like that's gonna help me incorporate my different shades of pink that I am desperately putting in here. So this is for the big, so it's gonna take up a little bit more space than normal, but we're gonna go with it because that's what we do. Make it our own and go with it. All right. Maybe I feel like I'm not feeling the flowers that I was originally thinking. I feel like this is a very common theme for this layout. Not feeling all the colors. Okay, I want to use these if I can make them. They're not the right color. You know, I had so many good ideas. And then I started working. There we go. Okay. So these will work great for just like giving me some space to write lists for the days. So let me throw a couple of these on here. And then one up here, maybe. And then there. I think I'm gonna do one more. Oh, make it right here. Okay, I need some more cheer in this. Ooh, that one's so crooked. Okay, I can handle a little bit of crooked, but not that much. This was on Saturday, right? Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so mean. Okay, we're gonna fix that later. Alright, so let's see if we can get some cute little quotes or something now. And then look through this this one. This is a Happy Planner Gold Star. Sometimes this one has some fun codes. Sorry about that. Okay, I don't know. I'm not feeling this right yet, and I'm hoping it'll get better. You know, when you have all these great ideas, and then I don't know, sometimes it doesn't go the way you think it's going to go. Alright, I kind of like the Be You Bravely, so let's try to incorporate that one in here. Maybe down here. Be You Bravely, that'll balance that out. I'm still not quite happy with this. See if I have anything in the winter book that would help with the hearts. I thought there was some Valentine's in here. It's definitely some cute Christmas. Yeah, okay, let's see. None of those are really gonna help though. Okay, not so much. I have this sheet. I have no idea where it came from. Paper Studio, it looks like. I don't know. Nothing's jumping out at me. It doesn't normally go down like this. Okay, well, you know, I might just leave it, and as the week goes on, I may change it up a little bit, but I guess I'm just going to leave it and see what happens. So sometimes they're like a home run, and sometimes they're not, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and it's just something fun to do, and yeah, thanks for joining me on this journey. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back here next time. Have a blessed day.